Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Engineers Competitive Training Academy. Today I'll be discussing about the GK and GS one-liner questions of part 90. I request you guys to check playlist. You'll find up to part 89, and I want you guys to share it to your friends and like it. If you like it, that will be in a topmost. So please share it to your friends also. So do not download this video because I want the watch time, guys. Because if you download it from other sources, we are very sorry because you are not helping me. It means I don't get any watch time. So let us see what exactly we have. The productive organs of a plant are, what are the productive, that is a fruit and all, that organ is flowers. From the flower it will be, again you will have the seed, and seed will have everything. The cause of change in the length of day and night, that is because inclination of the earth. We can find in the poles, we will find the maximum and minimum sun rays. So there you will have the maximum change in the length of the day and night. Obra super thermal power. You can see to the right side how exactly the Obra super thermal power looks like. That is located in Uttar Pradesh. The states has no atomic power plant. In Karnataka, they doesn't have any kind of power plant. The headquarters of ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, which is located at Dehradun. Even in Dehradun, you will find National Hydrographic School. Bully is the term which is used in the hockey. Please remember, guys, you should know what exactly the terms of the respective sports. If I say caddy, you will find in golf. Tee, you will find in golf. Bully is the one you will find in hockey. The government is the best which governs the least. The followers of this theory are called anarchist. So the government, whatever is the best which governs the least, the followers of this theory, they are known as, that is called anarchist. The word Sufi means Muslim saint. We knew that the word, you listen with the Sufi, you have to remember Moinuddin Chishti. He was a Sufi saint. It's a Muslim saint. He is a Muslim saint. The one is not a member of non-allied movement. Please remember what are the nations of non-aligned movement. Whatever the option had been given in that, Portugal was not the member of the non-allied movement. Next we have Kirbi tribes, which are located in which place. Please remember the tribes and their location, which are very important. Please check my playlist. You will find that the Kirbi tribes, they are settled in Assam. The currency of Philippines, that is peso. Philippines currency is peso. CPU, we knew that central processing unit, which is also a brain of a computer. Heart of a computer is a microprocessor. That brain of computer consists of control unit, main memory, and the arithmetic logic unit, which is used for logical reasoning. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends. You can join on Defense ICTA Telegram, and more than 800 plus question papers have been given, guys. They are very useful for you for all competitive exam. You can see how exactly it has been segregated in the playlist. The red color of ripe tomatoes is due to the presence of carotenoids. Please remember, whatever the tomato, it's a fruit, and you will find the red color because of this carotenoids. The anode in a dry cell consists of zinc. Please remember, whatever the anode in a dry cell, that consists of what? Zinc. The credit for gene discovery in the field of, that is genetic goes to Dr. Hargobind Khurana. This is, you have to remember, whatever the credit for gene discovery in the field of genetics goes to Dr. Hargobind Khurana. So he was known as father of Green Revolution. In the case of world, Norman Borlaug was the father of Green Revolution. Here genetic code had been deciphered by Dr. Hargobind Khurana. Chromatography is a technique to separate chemical components of mixture. As you can see how the chromatography column looks like. In this, it is used for the separating of chemical components of mixture. You can directly go through whatever has been given in the pictures. The head of the military department and the reorganized central machinery of administration during the Akbar's reign was Mir Bakshi. Please remember, guys, who is the head of the military department under the reorganized central machinery of administration during the Akbar's reign. He was Mir Bakshi. According to the latest census figures, sex ratio in India is declining. We knew that whatever the sex ratio, it is going down. In the case of Haryana, it is maximum, and in the case of if you take Kerala, they are the maximum girls are they take care of the girls and they have the maximum percentage of the sex ratio. The Almaty Dam, which is on the river, that is Krishna. You will find this Almaty Dam on the river Krishna. Now you guys to comment me in which state it is located. As you can see how exactly the Mughal government, the emperor is the one, down below court officials and nobles are there, and the council of ministers. As you can see how exactly they are: external affairs, public security, exchequer, judiciary, public works and mansabdars. These are the one you have to remember. Next we have the filmmaking of the Mahatma. There is a movie Mahatma. This movie had been directed by Shyam Benegal. You can see to the right side how exactly Shyam Benegal looks like. Human Development Index, that comprises literacy rates, life expectancy at birth and national income per hand in US dollar. This is what exactly Human Development Index of the nation. This comprises what? Literacy rates, life expectancy at birth and national income per hand in US dollars. The tribal population in Andaman and Nicobar Island belongs to the Negroid race, and there you will find Zorawan as well as Shawmpens you will find over there. So this tribal population in Andaman and Nicobar Islands, they are all Negroid race. The famous dialogue between Nachiketa and Yama is mentioned in the Kathopanishad. In this Kathopanishad, this dialogue between Nachiketa and Yama have been mentioned. Here we have the Milind Pano is in the form of a dialogue between the king Menander and Buddhist monk. This book had been written by Nagasena. Please remember. So that Buddhist monk here, as you can see, the debate of King Milindipana, this book edited by Bhikkhu Pesala. Here whatever exactly had been asked is, what is the name of this Buddhist monk? Nagasena is the Buddhist monk. Milindipano is the form of a dialogue between the king Menander and the Buddhist monk, his Nagasena. The Mahayana Buddhism, the Bodhisattva Avalokiteshvara, which was also known as Padmapani. In this Mahayana Buddhism, the Bodhisattva Avalokiteshvara, which was also known as Padmapani. The International Conference on Child Labour was held at Oslo. Please remember guys, whatever the Nobel Peace Prize which is given in the Oslo itself. So this International Conference on Child Labour, which was held at which place? That was held at Oslo. The Planning Commission had set up in the month of March in the year 1950. That Planning Commission had been set up. Now you guys to comment me in this section of this video, who is the chairman of the Planning Commission while it was established. The headquarters of International Olympic Committee is located at, as you can see how exactly the headquarters looks like from the aerial view, that is Lausanne. I want you guys to go through internet how exactly it looks like, and what is the motto of Olympic Games? CTS, RTS and 40S. This is what exactly the motto of the Olympic Games. Merdeka is related to what? That is a cup. Merdeka Cup, it is related to the football. The doctrine of lapse formulated by Lord Dalhousie was the one who had formulated the doctrine of lapse. This is very important. You have to remember all the things which are concerning to the respective questions. If you go through each and every question, you will find the maximum content, you will get the maximum information. This is my mobile number guys, 7667302252. You can call me or message me by WhatsApp. 2100 PDF of GK and GS will be given for a free of cost. So feel free to call and you will be encouraged to do maximum. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life.